Welcome to my Klaviyo review. If you're an e-commerce business owner or marketer, you've probably heard of Klaviyo. It's a robust email marketing platform that focuses on helping online stores optimize their email campaigns. I'll walk you through the platform and share my honest thoughts based on real-world use. When you first sign up for Klaviyo, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard. It's designed for ease of use, so even beginners won't feel overwhelmed. The setup process is straightforward, and the platform integrates seamlessly with most e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. One of the things that stands out about Klaviyo is its powerful segmentation capabilities. It lets you create highly targeted email lists based on customer behavior, making your campaigns more personalized and relevant. For example, you can send emails to customers who have abandoned their carts or those who haven't made a purchase in a while. This kind of targeting is essential for driving engagement and sales. Klaviyo also offers a variety of email templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. The drag-and-drop editor is easy to use, allowing you to customize emails to match your brand. Plus, the platform has a built-in A/B testing feature, so you can test different subject lines, email designs, and calls to action to see what works best. Another highlight is Klaviyo's automation features. With its flow builder, you can set up automated email sequences for various customer actions, like welcome emails, post-purchase follow-ups, or birthday discounts. This automation saves you time and ensures your emails are sent at the optimal time. Klaviyo's analytics dashboard gives you deep insights into how your campaigns are performing. You can track open rates, click-through rates, revenue generated, and more. This data helps you optimize your strategy and ensure you're getting the best possible ROI from your email marketing efforts. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links will provide additional tools and information to further enhance your marketing journey. The only downside I've encountered with Klaviyo is that it can be a bit pricey for smaller businesses, especially if you have a large email list. However, the ROI from increased sales often justifies the cost. If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business, Klaviyo is definitely worth considering. To sum up, Klaviyo is an excellent tool for e-commerce businesses looking to take their email marketing to the next level. Its powerful features, like advanced segmentation, automation, and analytics, make it one of the best platforms available. If you're serious about growing your online store, Klaviyo is a solid choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and marketing tips. Thanks for watching.